Welcome to Gonengo Lighting. Today we will introduce you about Automotive Repair Shop Special Lighting. Because the Automotive Repair Shop has a large space, heavy pedestrian traffic, and other characteristics, in the choice of lighting, we need to focus on practicality, economy, and safety. Usually, the internal space of the maintenance workshop is more spacious, the number of channels is more. Therefore, located in the channel position of the light should have a better guiding and indicative. Gonengo, with the help of lighting modeling, combined into an arrow-shaped indicator graphics to ensure that vehicles can quickly and accurately travel to the designated location. Gonengo adopts the bridge assembly and fixing solution, which hides the wiring inside the aluminum profile, and assembles and fixes it through the highly transparent PC connectors. This method is different from traditional lamps, which is more convenient and solid to install, and also saves installation cost. In the process of vehicle maintenance, if there are more shaded surfaces, the light diffusion is insufficient, which will result in dim light. The Gonengo lighting shell mask is made of PC material with color powder inside, which can offset glare and irradiate without shadow, and its light source diffusion performance reaches 120 degrees, and the light is soft and even, avoiding visual fatigue of maintenance masters. Gonengo lighting adopts DIY assembly mode, factory standardized production, and equipped with installation guidelines and video demonstration, so that customers can save more than 60% in labor and capital investment than traditional decoration. As there are more people and vehicles in the maintenance workshop, and some of the workshops are dusty, Gonengo hides the wiring in the shell and adopts a safe voltage of less than 36 volts to avoid accidental electrocution and short-circuit fire when the voltage drop is too large. Maintenance workshop vehicles often need to be lifted up and down in order not to hinder the construction, while maximizing the use of light. Gonengo in the mechanics workshop lights using the non-capped program. The lights made 2.4 by 4.8 rectangular box. That's all about the introduction of automotive workshop lighting. If you still have questions, please contact us. Thank you for watching. We look forward to working with you.